Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sydney Trains Vlogs. Currently walking up to one of the Parramatta light rail stops. Just thought I'd do a couple of slightly shorter videos just showing the progress of some of Parramatta light rail stops. This one is Prince Alfred Square. A lot of these stops now have the signage put up. Alrighty, so that's Prince Alfred Square. It's a bit of an awkward one to walk along. There's none of that mesh stuff on the left-hand side here, but if I was to walk on that side, the sun will be right gleaming into the camera. So just thought I'd walk along there. We're just giving a slight update, a bit of a look on a couple of the light rail stops in separate videos, starting with Prince Alfred Square. But thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.